Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find second derivative of f with respect to s with y, s and y. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find first derivative of f with respect to s and first derivative of f with respect to y. So for this one, we have s to the power of 3, so that's about 3s squared. This one we have s, so we have number 1, and we have 7y squared. This one we don't have s, so you got 0. Now to this one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have y squared, we have 2y. Negative number 7 and number 2 we have negative 14. This one we have y, so we have number 1, and that is about number 4. Now let's go to this one. So we need to use about this one. We have s squared, so we have 2s, number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. This one we don't have s, so you got 0. Now let's go to the next one. So we need to use about this one. So we have y in here, so we have number 1, and that is about negative 14s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. So for this one, we can use about this one, or similar for this one. We can use about this one, but with respect to s, this one with respect to y. So we have the same. This one we have y squared, so we have 2y, negative number 7, and number 2 we have negative 14y. If we use about this one, so that should be respect to s. So this one we have number 1, so we have negative 14y, and they are the same in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.